everybody, that's me, Old Drifter. I'm headed out here to get me some water. Oh, first let me say hello to my aunt. I gotta remember to do that. I had to work a couple hours this morning. Now I've got the rest of the day off and tomorrow off. So I'm gonna head out here. I need to fill up one of my water containers. So I thought I'd show you where I get my water. Nothing special, it's just a free dump station out here. It's got drinking water. And then I'm gonna go find me a place to park for the weekend. I think I'm gonna look for something different, you know, besides being by the lake. I think I'm gonna, yes, I know the sun shadows there. I see that. I'm driving, though. Can't do nothing about it. Hey, there I am. But anyway, I think I'm gonna find a place different. Really not by the lake. I believe I want to go out in the woods. Someone just find me a campground. You know, an established real campground. We've got some storms coming in. It's cooled off considerably. I mean, it's beautiful today. It's sunny, it's nice and cool. But the bad thing is, we got some storms coming in. So, you know, I don't want to be out in the middle of the woods out on some dirt path or something and get stuck out there. So I'm gonna go find me a campground. First I'm gonna get my water, and then go find me a little spot to park for the weekend. So I'll be back with you here in a minute when I get to the water station. This is just I don't know, just a lonely road here. Here comes a semi. That's the first time I've ever seen a semi coming through here. This is the road that goes through the National Forest. Nothing special, it's just trees and well, this is about it, there's trees. It's a beautiful ride. I like taking it down through here. You know, I just like seeing the critters. Early in the mornings when you see all the critters, the deer and the raccoons and all that out. But anyway, this is pretty much all it looks like all the way there. So I'm gonna pause it, and then when I get to the water place, you know, I'll get back with you. All right, I made it to where I get my water. You can see right there, that's where you dump your sewer and you get your wash water or whatever to flush your tanks. But right here, this is potable water. Now, most every national park, well, I don't know about the parks, but national forest that has established campgrounds has got these free, everyone I've ever seen has been free, what they call dump stations. And what I do, I've got, trying to keep that sun out. I know it's a beautiful sunny day, but you see this jug. They're called aquatainers. They're 7 gallon. You can get them, well, you can probably get them anywhere. I bought mine at Walmart. I got 2, which is a total of 14 gallon. Plus this guy right here. I don't know, I can't remember what you call them. But them the jugs you see, like these tanks, you know, they flip them upside down, put them on there. That's 5 gallon. So, and counting my tank I use for my sink, I can carry, what, 14, 5s, 19, about 23 gallon, 22. Which is enough for me. That's quite a bit. Of course, like I said before, I'm wanting to get one big tank and put it underneath the bed or something and do away with all these little ones. That's a whole different story. But anyway, let me get this thing filled up. And we'll get back on the road. I go find me, you know, a place to park for the next 2 days. There was something I was going to say and I can't remember what it is. Darn it. But anyway, yeah. Just look around, ask your park rangers if they got any guides, you know, the area you're in. Most of these national forests and national parks have these free dump stations. Now, I've been getting spoiled. I've been here so long. I've been coming here and getting my water. I've spoiled myself. I ain't had to look for it. I mean, right here it is. I just come get it. So I'm going to get back in the habit of searching to find good, safe, you know, water to get. But anyhow, let me quit rambling, fill my jug up, we'll get back on the road. I'm going to go back here and check this one spot I've used a couple times. It's pretty nice. It's shady. I mean, you won't get no solar back here, but it's you know, shady and cool. You're close to the water, but you're not right on the lake, which that's kind of what I'm looking for this time. You know, just change it up a little bit. I'm always staying right on the water. I just want to change it up a little bit. And plus, I got some things I need to do, so I just want to get where I won't bother nobody. You know, be in nobody's way. Let me turn you around here if I can. I'm still trying to drive, so It's gonna get a little shaky, but yeah, just, you know, nothing but woods, nothing special about it. I mean, I like it, it's special to me, but you know, it ain't Disney World is what I'm trying to say. Let me turn you back around here if I can without dropping you. But yeah, we're gonna be pretty deep back in the woods. Really, I'm trying to stay, you know, we got some storms coming in. I was trying to stay away from these big trees, you know, because we've had a few fall over here recently. You know, the limbs falling and all that. I've done lost one solar panel to a limb that fell. But when I get back here, I'll try to pick me out a spot that's, if there's one available that's kind of in a clearing, you know. Do the best I can. I mean, it's about the best I can do without staying in a parking lot somewhere. But anyway, I got about 2 miles to go on this old gravel road, and it pretty much all looks the same. Just going through the middle of the woods here. So let me pause it. When I get down here and find me a little camp spot, I'll get back with you. Made it. I got the same spot I had last time I was down here, which I like it. There's the old van. As you see, I'm just in the middle of the woods. But it is an established campground. I mean, here's a picnic table. We got a fire pit. I just come on around, you know what I'm saying. Now there's a site right there. That's another campsite. And then over here there's a, I can't remember, 10, 15 more sites, but they're way over there. Let's see, yep, got a fire ring, which I probably won't use. Yeah, I like it. Nice and cool. I mean, it's probably 10 degrees cooler down here than what it is when you first come in. Anyhow, I think I'm gonna stay here this weekend. I looked. See, yeah, I turned you up on purpose. I don't see no big limbs up there, so I think I'll be all right here. A couple of little small ones, but I don't believe it hurt anything if it gets a little rough. But I got some stuff I need to do. I got to clean the old van out again. I'm getting too much junk in there. I seem like I just did this. Seemed like I just, you know, purged it, as I called it. But I know I got a bunch of junk underneath my bed I got to get rid of. I can't remember. I think I got 2 or 3 of them collapsible lunch boxes underneath there. One, you know, I can get rid of one of them or both. I got probably 70 DVDs still in the case. You know, the little case they come in. Well, I went and bought me a little, what do you call it? One of them little deals you take it out of that original case and put it in. A little like photo album like deal. So I can eliminate all that. I probably got 10 pairs of pants shut into the bed I don't wear no more. Well, let's be honest. I mean, let's keep it real. I've got fat. They don't fit me no more. But anyway, I need to get them out. Come on. I already got a mosquito bothering me. But get them out and get them washed up so I can donate them. They're like brand new. I mean, I bought them and got fat and couldn't wear them no more. So, but yeah, I got a bunch of stuff like that I'm going to do. I don't know when I'll get this uploaded. What is the day? Today is Saturday. I don't have no service down here, so it'll be at least Monday anyway, before I get it uploaded. So anyhow, I think I'm gonna end this video right here. Maybe something interesting comes up, you know, I'll get back on here, but yeah, I probably will. I'll tell you what, I'm not gonna end it here. I'm just gonna pause it because I'm gonna get rid of a bunch of junk and we'll just see what all I get rid of again. I mean, I think I just did this. Honestly, I don't think it's been that long. I'm kind of a pack rat. Not so much pack rat, but I save stuff I just don't need. Yeah. But yeah, I hope y'all having a great day. I'm gonna fix me some lunch, get me some shorts on, kick back for a little bit, just relax, and then get started on that project. But I'll check back with you. Something interesting happens, you know, I'll let you see it. All right. Till I see you again here. Give me a couple hours. I'll be back. I just got done cleaning out my van. It's get off me. It's what time is it? think it's like 4 o'clock, 3:30, 4 o'clock, something like that. I think I got a problem. Yeah. Let me see if I can bend down here and pick it up. See this Walmart bag? It's shoved full of other Walmart bags. I've got 2 of them. I probably had, I don't know, 500 Walmart bags in there under the bed. Why do you need that? I got another big black bag here. I ain't gonna pick it up. Let's see, right there. That one's full of empty water bottles. What else I put in there? This little scrap thing, like empty containers, kind of like well, I don't know how to describe them. Like like these little sour cream bowls. You know, I like sour cream on my potatoes. You know, the little plastic container that comes in. Well, I save them. I wash them out and save them, thinking, oh, I can use this to put something in, put sugar in, or tea in, or whatever, you know. That's what that bag's full of. Empty water bottles, containers like that. What else did I put in there? And all this was under my bed. Pieces of wire where I've worked on my solar, you know, cut wire. I'd save it, thinking, oh, you know, I could use this piece for something else. That's what that big black trash bag's full of. So yeah, I think I got a problem. Anyhow, I've got it all out of there. Luckily, this campground's got a dumpster, so I'm gonna walk it all down there and throw it in the dumpster. I don't know. What is that? Something over there caught my attention. I'll go check it out in a minute. But what was that? Oh yeah, I'm gonna take all this to the dumpster, and that should last me for about 3 days until I fill it back up again. But anyhow, I got it done. Got it done quicker than what I thought it would. I'm seriously thinking about changing stuff in there again. No, I shouldn't say change. Not really change stuff. But like right here when you first come in the door, I've got this big water container. Of course, you know, I've set it 100 times, straight around the microwave. I'm thinking about moving all that. Now, I don't really know how or where. You know, I don't, get out here. I really don't know where I'm going to put it, because it's kind of, the way they're oddly shaped, it's kind of the only place to go. Oh, hang on, I got to pick a mosquito here. Yeah, I figured out, like, you're getting on my nerves, mosquito. I'll figure something out. I would like to change this corner up. This is my side doors. This is where you first go in. I would like to change that up somehow. I don't know how just yet, but I'd like to redo that. I'm thinking about running some wire and a plug over here behind my sink and putting that refrigerator on the sink. But while I was cleaning out of there, I got, you know, that'd be kind of a hassle to, you know, y'all know my side of my cabinet, the sink, the whole side slides. I would like to have opening, swinging, opening doors. I just don't have the room for that. So, but that would be a hassle to have to slide it open, kind of pull that out, open it up, just to get something. It's pretty convenient right there. So I may not change none of that. You know, I want to, but it's working, so I don't know. I may just leave it. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Anyhow, I think I'm gonna end this day right here. Everything's went good. It's been a great day. Got a lot done as far as getting rid of more junk. So yeah, I hope y'all have had a great day. Appreciate everybody, all my subscribers. Got another new one today. Got a notification for that, so that's pretty cool. Appreciate it having you. I think I said hello to my aunt, but I'm gonna say it again. Hello to you. And I think that's it. Until I talk to you next time, y'all have a great day and God bless.